Hey, how is everybody doing? I want to welcome you guys over here to MPC Mobile Network. My name is Cashmere Rich. I'm the president of this great network, guys. We're doing some powerful things with what? These mobile devices, man. We're helping people to make money with their smartphone. Now, how many of you guys are familiar with, remember the T-Mobile used to have the Fave-5? Well, over here at MPC Mobile, we've launched our own Fave-5 project, man. It's off the chain. I'm going to show you guys a fast way to throw 5 grand into your pockets, man, in the next 14 days. Now, I know a lot of people like, oh, no, this can't happen. I'm going to show you step by step. Do not let people, delude your mind telling you that things don't work. Things work. It's a numbers game. You got to understand it. I'm going to take you guys in here right now and show you, right? Apple and Android users, this is your chance to turn your smartphone into your very own cash generating ATM. I want to welcome you guys to the mobile network that we've set up, and this is our Fave-5 program. Now, let me ask you a question, and this is a very simple question. Do you have 5 people in your mobile device, in your smartphone, that would love to clock out with over $5,000 in the next 14 days? I bet everyone listening to me right now know 5 people, Fave-5. We call them Fave-5. Remember T-Mobile with the Fave-5? We call them your Fave-5. Do you have your favorite 5 people, whether it's your mom, your friend, your sister, your cousin, your aunt, 5 people in your mobile device that you would love to help make 5 grand? Well, I'm going to show you right now how you can do that, guys. 5,000 plus, guys, in no time flat. Do not doubt this. Do not try to, turn this into something that it ain't. Just follow me and watch me show you guys this. For the next few minutes, you're going to be introduced to a mobile marketing system that is going to create unimaginable wealth for you, your friends, and your family. Simply follow the few steps that I'm getting ready to show you, and in a few days, guys, you will be sitting on 5 grand. Now, it takes us working together to make this thing happen. I know a lot of people are struggling right now with, the government situations and stuff going on, but this is something that you can do right from your home using your mobile device. We can build this network together. Our network is already up and going, but we're going to be able to include you guys in our network and let you start making money with us. Now, who are we? MPC Mobile Network is a network comprised of smartphone users that are creating pure wealth using their mobile devices. Our network is based upon marketing and cryptocurrency education. We're going to be educating you guys through marketing and cryptocurrency, right? Our members are given an opportunity to further their education in marketing and cryptocurrency while simultaneously creating a powerful 6-figure income using their mobile device. Now, what I want to do is I want to take you down and show you how we do this. We have memberships, right? When you become a member of our network, everyone must become a member to operate with us. We don't have anything to sell. We don't have anything to buy. You just get your membership, you're in with us, and you can start making money with us. That's it, right? We have 3 levels of membership, but everyone starts at our silver, okay? The silver membership package is $100 with a $10 administrative fee, which pays for you, that 10 bucks pays for you to be a member of this network for life. You can't beat that, guys. The next package is our gold membership package at $250 and our platinum at $1,000. Now, with each membership package, it has trainings. We're giving you trainings. You're not buying it or nothing. It's yours, right? It comes with your membership. So in the silver package, you're going to receive 4 powerful trainings, right? They're ebooks, PDF downloads, guys. In your gold membership package, we have 8 trainings. Now, you got 8 trainings in there to go along with your 4. That's 12. But this is where it gets interesting. In our platinum, at $1,000, you receive 42 trainings. And I'm going to show you how to do this entire thing for free. I'm going to show you how to join, get your membership, get your money back from joining, and from there you in the game for free. How many of you guys like free? Of course. And not only am I going to show you how to do it, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it in 5 easy steps. Just follow the steps. Everything that I'm giving you is going to be done from your mobile device using your phone, smartphone list, your contact list, right? I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. The MPC Mobile Network has created a simple 5-step process that anyone can use to create a powerful income, guys. By following these 5 steps, each member can create a substantial income in record-breaking time. So I'm going to run through these steps really quick, guys. I'm not going to keep you long. I'm going to run through these steps, and hopefully you can see how easy it is to make this money, and you jump in over here and start getting paid today. today. The first thing you want to do is get your membership. The membership is $110, as I stated previously. Sorry, we don't do free. We believe in investing in ourselves and our financial futures. So $110 one time. You will never pay again. There's no network memberships or anything like that. $110 one time. Step number one, using your mobile device, set up an MPC mobile network account for $110. Step number two, from your smartphone list, from your contact list, you want to get a piece of paper and write down the name and number of 5 people, your Fave-5. Doesn't matter who it is, your favorite 5 people, right? These are the people that, would love to make $5,000 and they could use that in 14 days. Your favorite 5 people. Write down the names of 5 people in your phone that would love to be paid off at 5K in 14 days or less. So that's step 2. Step number 3, send your favorite 5 or 2 pre-written text messages. You're going to have an introductory copy and paste text message that you could copy, paste it over to them. When they respond back, we already know what the response is going to be. They're either going to respond by saying Apple or Android, because that's the way we've designed our question. Once they do that, let's go down here and take a look at this. Once they do that, then you're going to give them the response to their first. When they answer your first text, hit them with the second one, which is also copy paste. Let's take a look at these questions or the actual text that we're sending them. You're going to be like, hey there, put their name there, make it personable. I have joined a new mobile network that is helping me to earn $5,000 plus in 14 days or less using my smartphone. This works for both Apple or Android. Then you ask them in the text, you just copy what we give you, which one do you have? They're going to either respond Apple or Android. At that particular point, great. I'm sending you the information now. Please get back to me ASAP, because I only have slots available for 5 friends. And I want to get you in because guess what? I know how much you could use that $5,000. Guys, that right there is a trigger. That's a trigger. Let me read that again. I'm sending you the information now. Please get back to me ASAP because I only have slots available for 5 friends and I want you to be one of them. Bam. That's a call to action through the text message. I know how much you could use this $5,000. They're going to either get back in touch with you and say, well, yeah, I'm interested, or no, I'm not. It's okay because how many friends you got in your phone? You're only looking for 5. No one is going to be crazy enough to say, oh, no, don't send me the information. So you're going to send them the information. And guess what the information is? This video that you're watching right now. See, we're doing the work for you. Then you're going to send your Fave-5 contacts your MPC Mobile Network referral link. Once they say, yes, I want in, hey, good, let me hook you up. You send them that. Send them the link to join your network through your back office. Everyone gets their own website. Everything is yours. You got membership tracking in the work. Now, that is step number 4. Look how easy these steps are. I'm going to go back over them in a second. Step number 4, send them your referral link, right, to your 5 people. Step number 5, you yourself duplicate steps 2 through 5 over and over again, creating wealth, guys. Just study hitting 5 people. They coming in, right? I'm going to show you really briefly what that looks like. Let's go down here and take a look at our chart. I'm going to run through this for you guys so you can understand how fast this money comes. Like I said, our membership packages, we have silver, gold, platinum. Package cost $100, $250, $1,000. You know that the $100 comes with the $10 administrative fee, but I didn't put it on here because I want to run through the numbers. We're just looking at 5 right now. Now understand that number 5 is for illustration purposes only. It could be 5, 5, 10, to 20, 30, 40, 50. Just 5 I'm using for illustration purposes to give you a solid number. Okay, next we're looking at our new member rewards. These are the rewards for them coming into the network. This is what you're going to be receiving based upon them coming into the network. These are your upgrades from package to package right here. Then also you have your spillover money. Now watch how fast we knock out $5,000 in no time. First thing you want to do is you want to come in at the silver. Then you want to do what I told you to do in step number 1, join. Step number 2, you're going to be bringing in 5 people, inviting them in by giving them the information, right? When they come in, they're going to pay you at $100 each. When they get that network package silver at $100 each, time to 5 new members, that's $500. From the $500, pinch off 250 of that because you're already in profit mode. You came in with 100, you're already at 250. Bam. Pinch off that 250, send it into your gold package, take possession of that, leaving yourself in your account 250 spendable dollars. Look at there, guys. In one fell swoop, you're already heads up. You're already at the top, right? So now, in the gold package, here come your members, which is duplicating the steps. They have their people in. Now, they're going to pay you at 250. The same 5 people. You notice they say same 5. That's going to give you a total of 1250. Right? The 5 times the 250 equal 1250. You're going to then pinch 1,000 of that 250 off. Don't go to the mall yet. Just hold on. You're going to go shortly. Right? Pinch that 1,000 off. Go into your platinum level. When you go into your platinum membership, that's going to leave you another 250. You're already 500 ahead. Now, when your team members duplicate that same effort, paying them, they're going to upgrade to you now for 1,000. Time to 5 people is $5,000. But this is where it gets great. You have nothing else to upgrade into. You get to keep the entire 5. Add that 5,000 with the 2 previous 250s from spillover. That gives you a total of $5,500. Super simple, guys. That's $5,500. I've showed it to you. Step 1, get your package, share it with your members. They come in at 500. You upgrade to 250. Bank 250. When they upgrade for 250, same 5, that's going to give you 1,250. Pinch off of that, go into the platinum, bank 250. When they duplicate the effort, because duplication is the key, coming in at the 1,000, same 5, that's $5,000, no upgrade needed, 5,000 in the bank, plus the 2 previous 250s, 5,500. Bam, guys. We're doing all the work for you here, guys. We're doing all of the work for you. I want to scroll back up again and go through the steps because I have a little time left. I want to make sure you get this. Step number 1, you're going to join for 110. Step number 2, you're going to go into your phone list and write down the name of 5 great people for your favorite 5 that you want to help make $5,000. Step number 3, right? You're going to send them the pre-written text message, right? When you write down their name, send them the message that we got. This message number 1. Once they respond, telling you what type of phone they have, then you're going to say, hey, great, awesome, right? Then send them message number 2. Make sure that you remove this from the message. We're going to give you everything that you're saying. You don't have to worry about it. Just make sure you send what you need to send, and it starts at the word great, okay? Next thing you're going to do is this. Send your Fave-5 contacts your mobile network referral link. They're going to register, get their own account. Bam, you're going to earn 500, right? Right then from there, guess what? Duplicate that effort. Turn right back around, go back into your phone list. Write down another 5. Send them the message. Just continue to do it. Once that 5 make it step 5, bam, turn around and do it again. Repeat steps. Guys, you could do $10,000, $20,000 this month with this. This thing is amazing. No one has ever done this before, guys. This is something I created for you because I know what it is that you need to make money. Now, a lot of people say, well, what is it that you have inside of these packages? What does it look like? Well, let me see. Can I take you over here? Because I want you to see it, right? This is our mobile marketing network right here. And I want to take you guys in. Let me put in my, I want to show you guys something. It's real interesting. I hope I put the right username in there. I'll be tripping sometime, but I want to take you guys in so you can see it. So let's go over here and take a really quick look. It's not going to take long. Let's look at what you get. This is the silver package. Look at the trainings that you get, guys. These are yours, PDF downloads, plus you get reseller certificates. So if you want to sell them on eBay, Amazon, that's up to you. Look at our gold membership. There's so many names there we couldn't put pictures. So there you go. You get those blog posts that suck visitors, copyright basics, duplicate content detonator, graphic design for beginners, training, guys. This is yours. You're not buying it. We give it to you for free for coming over here, but you could definitely resell it if you like. Okay. Over here, this is really where it hit at, right? My guys tried to trick me. They told me it was 20 trainings. I said, that don't look like 20. When I counted it, it was 42. You get 42 trainings, guys. They're all yours to do with as you will. Everything is from the mobile device. You can download the PDF. Look at some of these titles before we get off of here, guys. Just take a look. It's Black Hat SEO Beginners. You write cash for content, cash sucking sales letters. CD. This is amazing, and this is all mobile through our mobile network, guys. Super exciting. So there you have it, man. I just wanted to show you what it is we're working with. Get you over here $110. You can turn your phone into a cash generating ATM starting today. This your man Cashman Rich. I want to welcome you to the MPC Mobile Network, and I thank you for stopping by. Get back with your sponsor. Let's get you in and get you earning with your mobile device. You guys take care.